Hello students, in this video lesson we will study about cause of a chemical bond or chemical combination. Everything in this world wants to become more stable. For atoms, stability means having the electron arrangement of an inert gas, as the inert gases are considered to be stable as they do not react with any other element. So, the atoms combine with another atom to achieve the inert gas electron arrangement and become more stable. So, we can say that atoms form chemical bonds to achieve stability by acquiring the inert gas electron configuration. So, when atoms combine to form chemical bonds, they do so in such a way that each atom gets 8 electrons in its outermost shell or 2 electrons in the outermost K shell. An atom can achieve the inert gas electron arrangement in 3 ways: by losing one or more electrons to another atom, or by gaining one or more electrons from another atom, or by sharing one or more electron with another atom. The chemical reaction in which the inert gas electron arrangement is achieved by the loss and gain of electrons between atoms take place between metal and a non-metal. On the other hand, the chemical reaction in which the inert gas electron configuration is achieved by the sharing of electrons between the atoms takes place between a non-metal and another non-metal. In order to understand the reactions between metals and non-metals, it is necessary to know the meaning of the term ion and how they are formed. So let us discuss about the ions first. An ion is an electrically charged atom or an electrically charged group of atoms. An ion is formed by the loss of electron or the gain of electron by an atom, so it contains an unequal number of electrons and protons. There are two types of ions, cations and anions. A positively charged ion is known as cation, which is formed by the loss of one or more electron by an atom. For example, sodium atom loses one electron to form a sodium ion, which is Na positive. Now, we know that a normal atom or a neutral atom contains an equal number of protons and electrons. Since a cation is formed by the loss of one or more electron, so a cation contains less electrons than protons. Also, a cation contains less electrons than a neutral atom. Now, remember that the ions of all the metal elements are cations. Only the hydrogen ion, which is H positive, and ammonium ion, which is NH4 positive, are the cations formed of nonmetals. Moving further, an anion is a negatively charged ion. It is formed by the gain of one or more electrons by an atom. For example, a chlorine atom gains one electron to form the chloride ion, which is Cl negative. We know that a normal atom or a neutral atom contains an equal number of proton and electrons. So we can say that an anion which is formed by the addition of one or more electrons contains more electron than protons. Also, an anion contains more electrons than a neutral atom. Now, the ions of all the non-metal elements are anions except hydrogen ion and ammonium ion.